Hello to you all. I'm here today at the IFI for the spectacular launch of two new Leaving Certificate subjects, that's Drama, Film and Theatre Studies and Climate Action and Sustainability. Two new wonderful subjects that really speak to the talent, capacity and ability of our students. It is so important that our students see themselves reflected in the curricula that are offered at senior cycle for Leaving Certificate. And we have very talented, artistic, creative students who need to see their talents reflected in Leaving Certificate. And likewise, we have students who have enormous interest in showing leadership in areas of climate action and sustainability. These two subjects will allow them to do just that. And so this is all part of our redevelopment of senior cycle, where no student will have to depend on their performance on one moment in June, that they will have a considerable percentage of their exam taken in advance of the final written exams in June, and they will be subjects that meet their needs, meet their interests, meet their talents, and indeed meet their passions. Today is a very good day for senior cycle redevelopment. Congratulations to everyone involved in the work, and thank you to IFI for their hospitality.